Can I track my phone if I didn't install any tracking app and it switched off?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll answer an important question many of us have had at one point or another. Can you track your smartphone if you didn't install any tracking app and it switched off?
The importance of a tracking app.
Firstly, let's understand why having a tracking app is crucial. Apps like Find My iPhone for Apple devices or Find My Device for Android are specifically designed to help you locate your lost device. They use GPS and Wi-Fi information to pinpoint your device's location. However, for these apps to work, they need to be installed and activated on your phone before it goes missing. If you didn't have any tracking app installed, your options for locating your phone are limited. Your service provider may be able to give some assistance, but it's not guaranteed. Additionally, the methods available are not as accurate or easy to use as a dedicated tracking app.
Can I track my phone when it's off?
Now, what about when your phone is switched off? Well, when a phone is turned off or the battery dies, it cannot send out a signal and cannot be tracked. The same goes for when it's in airplane mode. The GPS and Wi-Fi information, which tracking apps rely on, are unavailable when the phone is off. However, the last known location of your phone, when it was still on, can typically still be retrieved if you had a tracking app activated. This information might help in finding your lost device.
What can I do if I lose my phone?
So, what should you do if you lose your phone and don't have a tracking app installed or it's switched off? Here are a few tips. 1. Report to your service provider. They might be able to help you block your SIM card and possibly give some general information about the last known location. 2. Report the loss to the police. If your phone was stolen, the police could use your phone's IMEI number to track it down. 3. Change your passwords. To prevent unauthorized access to your accounts, you should change your passwords immediately. 4. Monitor your accounts for unauthorized activities. Keep an eye on your financial and social media accounts for any suspicious activities. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Make sure to have a tracking app installed and activated, and regularly back up your data. To conclude, tracking your phone when it's off and without a tracking app is challenging. Your best bet is to have a tracking app in place and keep your phone charged. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember to keep your devices secure.